Today, we're comparing two of the latest all-season tire heavyweights, the Pirelli Cinturato All-Season SF3 and the Goodyear Vector 4Seasons Gen 3. Both were launched in 2023 and promise outstanding performance across all weather conditions. Let's dive into their performance to see which one comes out on top. In wet conditions, the Pirelli Cinturato All-Season SF3 slightly edges out the Goodyear Vector 4Seasons Gen 3. The Pirelli stops from 100 km per hour in 43.9 meters, which is 2.5 meters shorter than the Goodyear's 46.4 meters. This enhanced stopping power could be crucial in rainy conditions. When it comes to handling, both tires are almost neck and neck. The Pirelli maintains an average speed of 75.4 km per hour in wet conditions, just a hair faster than the Goodyear at 75.3 km per hour. However, the Pirelli shines in straight aquaplaning tests, achieving a higher slipping speed of 83.3 km per hour compared to Goodyear's 73.1 km per hour, indicating better aquaplaning resistance. In snow, both tires perform admirably but with slight differences. The Goodyear Vector 4Seasons Gen 3 stops from 50 km per hour in 24.1 meters, just marginally better than the Pirelli at 24.4 meters. For traction, they are almost identical, with the Pirelli generating 2,797 newtons and the Goodyear 2,794 newtons. Snow handling speeds are also close, with Goodyear slightly faster, but the Pirelli takes the lead in snow slalom, suggesting superior agility on snowy roads. On dry roads, the Pirelli Cinturato All-Season SF3 stops from 100 km per hour in 36.9 meters, 2.5 meters shorter than the Goodyear Vector 4Seasons Gen 3's 39.4 meters, showcasing its superior braking. In dry handling, the Pirelli averages 92 km per hour, slightly faster than Goodyear's 91.3, highlighting its excellent grip and control on dry surfaces. Both tires perform similarly when it comes to noise. The Pirelli Cinturato All-Season SF3 registers 72.8 decibels, just a fraction quieter than the Goodyear's 72.9 decibels. The Pirelli Cinturato All-Season SF3 leads in rolling resistance coefficient figure of 7.84, lower than the Goodyear Vector 4Seasons Gen 3's 8.79. In conclusion, the Pirelli Cinturato All-Season SF3 excels in critical areas like wet and dry braking and rolling resistance, making it a top choice for those prioritizing safety and efficiency. On the other hand, the Goodyear Vector 4Seasons Gen 3 excels so slightly in snow performances. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.